Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD JPY, US dollar Japanese yen for 6 April 2021. So this video and analysis is for 6 April only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 7th April. I bring videos on daily basis and in advance so that you get to stay ahead of the market. So let's get started. And if you're watching my videos for the first time, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So this is the chart of USD JPY. As we can see, market has formed a big red candle right now, and as we all know, market is in beautiful uptrend. Market is very bullish since last couple of weeks. But if you watch my previous video, then I told you to I told you not to go long. I told you to watch the market. Remember, and this is the result. You can see right now market is coming down. Okay, so this is the overall chart of USD JPY. Okay, this is the overall chart of USD JPY, and there is no doubt that market is very bullish, extremely bullish for the last couple of weeks. The reason why I told you not to go long in my previous video is this. This is the weekly chart of USD JPY, and as I mentioned in my previous video, market has already entered in the resistance zone in the weekly chart. And as we all know, weekly chart is very important because this is the time frame of the big players, and we should not mess with the time frame of the bigger players. Therefore, I told you not to go long, and I told you to stay very careful because see, market is already in overbought. Sorry, market is already in overbought zone, and after that market has entered into the resistance zone. The market has entered the resistance zone, and this is the new week. Okay, we can see that previous week it had the market has formed a green candle on the weekly chart, but this week market has started with a red candle because market is in the resistance zone. So what should be a strategy then? As we can see right now, market is in a critical position right now, and see, overall the trend of the market is very bullish, and it's the very much towards the upside. Okay, there's no doubt about it. Therefore if we short the market right away, then it will be going against the trend. Okay, and it will be very risky if you're a beginner, if you do not know scalping, if you have no experience with scalping, then it will be very risky for you to trade against the trend. Therefore, I'll tell you, refrain from shorting the market. Okay, as of now, what is your first and foremost duty? The first duty is to wait for the market. Okay, wait for the market to take support somewhere. So you can see the right now market is trading at 110 level. Okay, and we can see the right now market is trying to take support at the 50 moving average, but looking at the size of the candle, we cannot be too sure that 50 moving average will be providing support. So wait for the market either to take support at the 50 moving average or take support at this particular level, 109.50. So wait for the market to take support at the 50 moving average or 109.50 level. This is the only thing we need to do right now. So market has just opened today, so we must be very careful. And what is this? This is our no trading zone. Okay, this is our no trading zone. As long as market is in this range, okay, we just need to observe the market. Remember when market was in beautiful upper, market was very much bullish. After that market, this pair crossed the 50 moving average, and after that it was in range for a couple of days, and after that it had a breakout. The same scenario we can see again. Okay, therefore, as long as market is in this range, you do not need to trade. Just observe the price, just observe the market. Yes, the main duty of a trader is to observe. Okay, so as long as market is trading here, you just need to observe. Okay, if market takes support at the 50 moving average, then it's well and good. If market fails to take support, do not worry. Let the market take support at 109 point, okay, 109.50 level. So as of now market is falling. Okay, let the market fall and trade at the 50 moving average, okay, or at this level. Okay, when market will be taking support, then just observe the price. Suppose market comes down to the 109.50 level. Okay, and if you see that this level is providing the support to the market, and if market is bouncing back from here, then you can go long. Okay, easily you can make some quick profit out of it. Okay, easily you can make some quick profit. So if you see that market is bouncing back, if you see a price rejection from below, you can enter here. Okay, you can enter above this level to make some quick money. Okay. Or otherwise, if market is falling or in a range, if there is no volatility, then just avoid. And if you do not feel comfortable also, you can just avoid trading in between this range. On the other hand, if market reverses and crosses this level, okay, if market crosses this level, then you can go long. But do remember, market is in the resistance zone. So if you enter just above this line or above this resistance, then do remember 111.60. Okay, this level is also very important in the weekly chart. Let me show you. This is the level. Okay, so this is the level 111.62. Therefore you should be very careful if you go ahead and buy above this line. Okay, in case you go ahead and buy above this line, then 111.60 is your target. And in case market falls and takes support at 109.50 level and bounces from here, you can buy. Okay, otherwise avoid the market, because this is your kind of no trading zone. If you want to avoid, you can also avoid. Okay, because market has good support at this level only. To be very honest, if you ask me, okay, the safest point in this market right now, okay, safest point is this 108.30. This is your safest point for the market right now, because market has good support at this level. If market comes down and bounces from here, this is your safest entry. Okay, otherwise right now, considering overall scenario, we won't be shorting the market. Just observe the market in this range. If market bounces from here, go for a buy. Okay, so observe the market. Today is Monday, weekend started. Okay, I'll come back tomorrow again. I'll tell you what you need to do. Okay, so let's wait for one day and see. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood, and if you liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other pairs. And if you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, and do subscribe to my channel.